Hey guys, Keith here from Injector-Rehab. Putting together a little video for you today. Talking about GDI injectors, gasoline direct injection. These injectors are quite different from standard port injection injectors that you're probably familiar with seeing videos of them flowing online on a test bench. GDI is a little bit different. There's a lot more pressure that's involved with these, so there's specialized equipment involved in being able to properly test them. A lot of places attempt to test those on port injection machines similar to what you see here. It's a lot of what we put out as videos as well because it's the most exciting type of video for seeing an injector actually flowing. But what's not mentioned is how high pressure alters the operation of this injector completely. You cannot actually test this injector properly on a port injection machine. The machine may be able to drive it electronically, but it does not actually have the entire range of pressure that the injector goes under when it's out in the real world. So this video is going to show you a little bit about that, show you some of the spray of the injector so you can kind of see that, where we have a viewing chamber in this machine setup here. Normally what we're running is just a sensor that attaches on the bottom of the injector, and it is similar to diesel, how it measures in a shot-to-shot measurement versus an overall volume of flow like you see on port injection injectors. So we'll get right into the video here. So we have test plans from every injector manufacturer, and we type in the part number from the manufacturer that's stamped on the side of the injector. We select the injector that is to be used on this test. We can name the reports on the injector by the customer name, and each injector has its own report and is numbered, tested, and the reports will be associated with each injector being tested, similar to how we used to do the port injection tests, numbering the injector corresponding to the report. All the tests that are provided by the manufacturer can be selected one at a time or all together. We can perform all the tests at once, including nozzle response tests, an actuator capacitor test, leak down tests, and 4 different stages of interval metering that is provided by the manufacturer so that we know if the injector is within spec. GDI injectors are not tested like port injection. They measure a shot-to-shot measurement, and spraying into test fluid, such as this chamber is showing, it is able to measure each individual shot and give a report back if the injector is flowing up to specs of the manufacturer. The tests are so precise that the human eye cannot even detect. The fluid travels through the hose into the sensor and gives us a report back if the injector is actually within spec. Once the tests are complete, the machine will then show us if the injector is within spec. Green means good, blue is perfect, and red means that the injector still needs some work. So that we'll go back through the cleaning process until the test can pass. So there you have a little bit more information of how GDI injectors are actually tested at high pressure, up to 450 bar for some of these injectors. Again, a standard port injection machine can't do it. The spray pattern is not actually what you're measuring like you do in a port injection machine. However, when you do flow them on a port injection machine, they do look kind of pretty and sort of neat. So a lot of these companies are capitalizing on that fact. They also haven't invested in the proper equipment to test. But yeah, it is more important to have a precision measuring instrument that can test what the naked eye can't see, and that's what we have here at Injector-Rehab. So follow our channels, You can subscribe down below for more videos like this, information on how to test different injectors, how we do different things in the shop, and we'll see you guys all soon. Thanks.